Hi guys! May binili akong nuts dito sa Japan, sa grocery sa Japan. So, mag 5 years na ako sa March pero hindi ko pa rin siya natitikman. So, ngayon, titikman natin siya. Ito yung pinakaayaw ng mga Pilipino dito. Ewan ko lang, yung iba. Ito siya guys. Ito yung itsura niya. Babe, do you want to try this? Like, I don't know. This is my first time. Nuts? No.
Oh, is that the bean taste?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that.
Just try it.
It's gross.
No.
It's supposed to be good for you.
Why?
I said it's supposed to be good for you.
Have you tried this before?
No, but one of my coworkers eat that.
And what he said?
It's just bean. I don't like bean.
I wanna try this, guys. Try natin. Ayaw ng husband ko. So, napanood ko to. Ganito siya gawin. Ganyan siya. Tusukin natin dito. Tapos, doon natin kunin yung plastic.
The pirate post on Truth Social by the president said, CBS and 60 Minutes defrauded the public by doing something which has never to this
Ayaw ng
extent
husband ko,
been seen
guys.
before. They 100%
Try ko siya.
removed Kamala's horrible
Nung
election
nakita ko to sa mga
questions
hapon ko na
and replaced them with
kaibigan nun
completely
sa Aomori,
different and
pinapatikim
far
sa akin.
better answers, taken
Sabi ko,
from another
ayoko.
part of the interview. This was election
Stinky.
changing stuff, election interference, and quite simply, election
Kita
fraud
try na
at a
natin siya,
level
guys.
never seen before.
Kahit mabaho
CBS
talaga,
should lose its
titikman ko siya.
license and the cheaters at 60 Minutes should all be thrown
Tignan mo
out.
yung itsura
And
niya.
this disreputable news show should
Sabi
be
nung mga
immediately
hapon doon dati
terminated.
sa katrabaho
With the
ko,
new
nakatrabaho
Democrat
ko,
scandal that
masarap
just
daw.
arose with respect to USAID illegally paying large sums of money to Politico and other media outlets, the question must be asked. Was CBS paid for committing this fraud?
I don't like it.
Online commentators agreed, saying court
Tastes
60
gross.
Minutes allows Kamala Harris to say one thing while the
gross.
cameras are rolling. When the cameras stop, they confront her asking for the truth. It was staged. Trump should sue CBS and 60 Minutes
I
into
can't eat this.
oblivion. And online commentators had a field day
Tatlo pa naman to,
to
guys.
expose the extent to which
Hindi ko kaya.
CBS edited the
Ang
interview
baho!
for the benefit of Kamala Harris.
Thank you very much.